so it's time for a very special get ready with me video, guys. We are going for Vaibhav's premiere tonight, and as usual, I'm late. I don't know what this look is gonna be, but like we'll figure it out like we always do, right? Okay, so we're starting with some moisturizer and just prepping the skin. It's all outdoors. It's going to be hot. It's going to be sweaty and shiny. So yeah, not using a lot, just, you know, a little bit. I'm also using a powder-based foundation because that helps with, you know, obviously oiliness, sticky, hotness, all of that. So we're just going to dot it on and blend, blend, blend. Wow, it's been a while since I said that, guys. All the OG subscribers will know. Then up next, we're using this KIRO compact, which is the current compact that I'm using. I'm really loving this right now. Again, just going to use a very like tiny little bit over my foundation because I really like a nice, light, fresh look. I don't like anything too cakey or too much, and also this is outdoors, so no. Then we have this guy who really helps with like shine and heat, but he's been discontinued. Don't know what I'm going to do after I finish this bottle. Benefit, please bring this back. Okay, now for the eyes, I'm starting with curling my lashes, and then I'm going to wear some Kajal after like 100 years, guys. I hope I can manage this. Okay, so just gonna line the waterline and then smudge it. Again, nothing too heavy or like too defined because I don't have those skills only. After that, we have my usual favorite, mascara. Like, mascara makes such a huge difference. I always do like both my top and bottom lashes, and ta-da! Okay, now for my brows, I'm keeping things light and simple because they are like in all their glory right now, overgrown, messy and bajinga. So yeah, just lightly filling and setting them, that's it. Then I'm actually going to put on a layer of Benetint onto my lips. Now, I always do this before events because I don't like to touch up my lipstick and all of that. So once my lipstick vanishes, I still have like a tint on my lips. Cool hack, right? Okay, so I'm using a bright coral lipstick, but it's not going to be this look. I'm just going to dab it after I apply it and throw on some like lip balm over it. This is my favorite Burts piece, you guys know. I love to mix like 2 and 3 things to create like a unique lip, you know, color that looks different every time, and also I just feel like it's more natural. What do you guys think? Okay, time to throw on some blush and some highlighter post that, and that will finish off this look. Okay, now for my hair. Okay, I've already blow dried it with my Dyson earlier in the day because I knew I wouldn't have a lot of time at this point to do this. So I'm just gonna like run my iron over it randomly, no proper sections, all of that. This is just gonna give me like a sleeker finish, and then I'm just gonna add a pump or two of this to add some shine, settle the flyaways. This really helps with that. This is something I use every day and it really works well for me. Then we're just going to pin one side with these cool gold, you know, bobby pins in a cross like this. This is basically just going to make sure my hair doesn't poof up by the evening and it stays sleek. You know what I'm talking about, girls? It's hot, it's humid, and yeah, I don't want to look like a mushroom because with this haircut, I have the potential. Okay, let's change. Are you ready to head to the premiere with me, guys? Ta-da! So this is my look. We had a really fun night. Hope you liked the video. See you guys soon. Bye.